Hello, class! Are we ready for today's lesson? First, just ordinary plastic. Grab some scissors and cut away. Yes, yes! Now it's become string. Rub it down with cloth and... say hello to our guest class. Now for the fun part. Ready? Magic! Steady, steady. Ta-da! Thank you, thank you. I'll be here all week.
Huh? What? Where am I again? Oh well, must have been a dream. Just another boring day at school. Ugh, what are those? Mine are so much prettier.
Oh wow, I can't believe my eyes. They're so pretty. And mine are just... they're not pretty at all.
Ew, what do you call those?
My nails? They're not that bad, right? What are those two up to? Silly girls and their nails.
So gross.
Hey, psst, have a look around you.
Me?
Yes, look at the things you have with you.
Huh? There's nothing I could use.
I don't see anything. Really? What about this then?
Aha! I know exactly what you mean now. The glue pen. But what do I do with it?
Use your big brain.
Glue pen. Carry the two. Aha! I got it! Great idea! First, I'll need to get the shape of my nail. I'll just stick some paper on there tightly. Then mark out my nail size. That looks good. Now to get the shape just right for me. And use the glue gun to fill it in with a beautiful bright color. Curve it a little bit to get it just right. And presto! A new fancy nail. Or should I say, nails? Ta-da! Perfectly beautiful nails. Oh, what do you think of these nails now? What? Wow! They're fancy. Yay! Thank you, miss.
I knew you could do it. Oh dear. I might have to do my own now. Teacher trick 101.
Ugh, what a day. Is it really that bad? An F? Oh no! Mom is going to be so mad!
You better pass that test, or else you're failing math, English, fail one more test, and you're going to be in big trouble, mister!
No way! There's gotta be some way to fix this. Nope, this won't work. Aha! An eraser will do it. I'll just remove the F. Didn't work. Nah. Yes, a red marker! Oops! Uh-oh, not good. Wait a minute. It's erased the marker. That'll do nicely. Haha, a bit of this with one of these. Let's do this. Erasing time. I'll just rub this all over here and there and... just like magic, the F is disappearing. Now for the final touch. Perfect. Oh, hi, Mom.
Hello, dear. Your test paper. Let me see here.
So, what do you think, Mom?
My baby boy is a genius! I'm so proud of you. All right, class. Time to hand in your homework.
Yes, sir! What happened? Oh no! It's ruined! What am I going to do?
Whoa! Look at that!
Perfect.
Good. Matthew, please bring your homework up.
Yes, sir. No problem at all.
Oh, what am I going to do? It's all right. I got this. I'll just flatten it out. Mandy, can you bring yours up now, please?
Yes, sir.
Maybe he won't notice.
Here you go, sir.
Let's see. What has happened to this? Oh no! Here, take this mess away. Oh. I need more tissue. Huh? No more?
Wait a minute. Aha! This gives me a brilliant idea. First, I need the empty tube.
A pair of scissors will help me out. I'll just cut up the middle here. Now for the best part. Decorating! There! The perfect homework holder! It looks amazing! If I don't say so myself, of course. Here you go, sir. My homework. About time. Oh, look at this. It looks so pretty. Thank you, sir. Phew! I just love stickers, too. And look at this. The homework is perfect. Well done. I'm going to give it a big A+.
Yay! Thank you, sir!
You're welcome. Make sure that the rest of your homework comes like that. Hello, class. Today, I want you to draw the sun.
Yes, sir! I can't wait.
What? Oh no! I brought the wrong case into class! Dang it! They're just my markers. Oh well, I can draw a circle anyways. Oh. Stupid circle!
You thought you could draw a circle like that? How silly of you. Now for my special tools. Aha! My precious compass. And my favorite pencil. A perfect match. Watch this. See? The perfect circle.
Whoa, that's amazing! Can I borrow it?
My precious? No way!
Huh? That's not fair. I want to draw a perfect circle too. What can I do? If I use this with a little bit of this and a touch of that. Eureka! I've got it! My hand! My hand can be my compass. Genius! I'll just place my hand on the paper and hold my pen. Then I'll just turn the paper around and keep my hand very still. Just like this. It's working! Yes! A perfect circle! Yes! Now to add the final parts to my sun. Time's almost up. A few more lines here and here. Time's up! Let's see those pictures, class. Yes, sir! Ta-da! Just like yours, sir. All finished. Both are really good, but we have a clear winner. Well done, Mandy.
Huh? How did you? Huh.
Yay! Thank you, sir! What school hacks do you use? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.
My friends and I will talk like every other day, shaking the park where all the boys are riding skateboards. They look so hot, they look so cool. Everyone is around, and that's when I saw that someone new not from around. You see on holiday, oh, will he stick around? He looks so hot, he looks so cool. Hope to see him in school.